Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not working on an iPhone. It actually works on the newest models and an older version like the iPhone XS. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new to the YouTube channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I'd love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing you actually want to do is go over to your settings. Just go on your home screen, click on settings. You want to go down below, click on general, and you want to make sure you have the recent update for your iOS device. You want to click on software update and make sure you download and install the latest version. The reason is that maybe Apple is aware of the issue and they have a patch that's updating it, and you just need to download and install it. The another things that you can do is just swiping up on your phone, holding here right where all those four icons are, and make sure that you're not on airplane mode and you don't have your personal hotspot on. So this is very important. Another thing that you want to make sure you have is your Wi-Fi is not very weak. This bar is set free. If it's very weak, what you want to do is reset the router, make sure you're closer to it, or contact your network service provider. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and I want to see you in the next one.